Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're planning a flight with American Airlines in 2025 and want to make sure you get a meal that suits your dietary needs or preferences, you're in the right place. Reserving a meal is a simple process that can turn a standard flight into a more enjoyable experience. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps step by step, so you can do it quickly and confidently. Let's dive in. First, you need to have your flight booked. Once that's done, head to the American Airlines website or open their mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, creating it is straightforward and only takes a minute. This is key because meal reservations are tied to your booking. Next, navigate to the My Trips section. This is usually found on the homepage or in the menu. Here, you'll see a list of your upcoming flights. Select the specific flight you want to add a meal to. Once selected, look for options like Manage Booking or Special Requests. In this section, you'll find the meal reservation feature. American Airlines offers a variety of choices for 2025, including vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and even low-sodium options. Browse through the available meals based on your flight's class and route. Remember, not all options are available on every flight, so check early. Select your preferred meal, then review your choices to make sure everything is correct. Hit Confirm, and you'll get an email confirmation from American Airlines. It's that easy. One quick tip for 2025. Due to updated policies, you should reserve your meal at least 24 hours before departure to ensure availability, and look out for new sustainable meal options they're introducing. And there you have it. You're all set for a customized in-flight meal. This small step can make your trip way more comfortable, especially on long-haul flights. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and hit that notification bell. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Safe travels, and thanks for watching.